Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD equal to BC and angle DAB equal to angle CBA. Prove that. First question, triangle ABD congruent to triangle BAC. Second question, BD equal to AC. Third question, angle ABD equal to angle BAC. Here is given the figure. Our first question is triangle ABD congruent to triangle BAC. We need to prove two triangles are congruent. We know two triangles are congruent if its corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are equal. And we have studied three criteria for congruence of triangles: SAS, ASA and SSS. So, by using any one of the criteria, we can prove the triangles are congruent. Before that, let us write the corresponding parts of these two triangles. To write the corresponding parts easily, let us simply draw two triangles and give name A, B, D and B, A, C. Here is given the figure. Here simply we are drawing two triangles and write these two names. Okay, now let us find out the corresponding sides and corresponding angles. First, corresponding sides. AB equal to BA. Second one, BD equal to AC. Third one, AD equal to BC. Three corresponding sides we have written. Now we need to draw three corresponding angles. While writing the angles, you remember, write the full name of the angles. First angles, corresponding angles are angle A equal to angle B. So, the full name of angle A is angle DAB. A should be middle. Or we can write angle BAD. So, any one we can write. So, angle DAB equal to angle CBA. Next angles are angle B and angle A. We can write it as angle ABD equal to angle BAC. Next one is angle D equal to angle C. That is angle BDA equal to angle ACB. So here we have written three corresponding sides and three corresponding angles. Among these six corresponding parts, we need to find out three equal parts. So, while reading the question, we will get an idea which are the equal parts. Let us read the question. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD equal to BC and angle DAB equal to angle CBA. Two equal conditions are given in the question. Let us check that equal conditions are in our corresponding parts or not. You can see AD equal to BC is here also. So we got one equal condition. Second one is angle DAB equal to angle CBA. It is also here. So we have got one more equal condition. So two equal conditions we got. We need one more. So going through these corresponding parts, here you can see two sides with the same name. That means they are same sides in the figure. So that one also we can select. Now we have got 3 equal corresponding parts. AB equal to BA, it is one side. AD equal to BC, it is also one side. Angle DAB equal to angle CBA, it is one angle. So we can write the answer. In triangles ABD and BAC, AD equal to BC, it is given in the question. Angle DAB equal to angle CBA, it is also given in the question. AB equal to BA, it is common. Therefore, triangle ABD congruent to triangle BAC by SAS congruence rule. So now we have proved the triangles are congruent by using SAS congruence rule. There are remaining 2 more questions to prove BD equal to AC and angle ABD equal to angle BAC. It is very easy if we prove triangle ABD congruent to triangle BAC. We have already proved they are congruent. So let us check these 2 parts are in our corresponding parts or not. If it is there, we can say they are equal because they are the corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So first one is BD equal to AC. You can see BD equal to AC here. So we can write BD equal to AC. The reason is CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. This we can write only after proved the triangles are congruent because they are becoming equal only if the triangles are congruent. The third question is angle ABD equal to angle BAC. You can see here angle ABD equal to angle BAC. So that answer also we can write angle ABD equal to angle BAC. The reason is corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Remember, this part is not for the part of the answer. This only a guideline for finding the answer. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.